What's up, guys? So in this video, let me show you how a total beginner can integrate API in GoHighLevel, even if you don't know anything about APIs, or even if you don't know anything about specific actions with APIs, API keys, query parameters, headers, and everything like that. I will explain everything in this video, so listen closely. And also, if you want, you can check out our 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel if you want to test this out for yourself. Down below, you'll get GoHighLevel for 30 days for free, okay? So let's get started. So as you can see, this automation is right here, an automation that verifies phone numbers, okay? Now, how it verifies phone numbers, whenever we add a tag right here, which is a phone validation tag, really simple, then what we have is we have a custom webhook. So how to integrate APIs in GoHighLevel is you need a custom webhook. Now, this webhook verifies phone numbers. I will explain how it verifies phone numbers. So essentially, I went on this platform called NUMVERIFY, and this is a free platform. I can get up to 100 different verifications per month for phone numbers. So I can verify hundreds of my contacts for free, their phone numbers for free. And this is essentially an API. So what I did is I logged in into this API platform. And as you can see, this is how it looks like inside of it. So this is an API platform. What I did is I scrolled down, I went to documentation, okay? And here I use this link, I pasted in ChatGPT. I said, what is the endpoint for validating the phone number? So as you can see, I also added the documentation link. Then ChatGPT, not GoHighLevel, I almost said GoHighLevel, but ChatGPT gave me the phone number validation endpoint from this particular documentation. So I don't have to know anything about it, right? ChatGPT gave me all of that. And what I did here is I actually went, I actually asked ChatGPT, can you put authorization in URL and query parameters, or is that not available? And then it gave me this right here. So these are the questions you can ask ChatGPT for any API. And then as you can see, what I did is I entered here, how would that look like in GoHighLevel? You can even do it without this particular screen. And GoHighLevel gave me here what I need to do. So, and let me just go here and let me show you how this works and how this looks like in GoHighLevel. So in GoHighLevel, we have a custom webhook. We added the action name. The event is always custom. The method is get, okay? How we know the method is get? We know because here we've actually scrolled down, and as you can see, the method is get, right? So that's something that we've got from ChatGPT. Authorization is set to none. So again, the method is get. The URL, we already got the endpoint URL from here. So from here, as you can see, and if we scroll down here, okay, so the authorization is none. So authorization none. And then we have ChatGPT gave us the parameters. So do not choose API key. Do not choose anything from there. Request URL, we already got that. And then as you can see, query parameters, add these manually in GoHighLevel. And as you can see here, we have access key, number, country code, and format. And I basically have access key. Access key is here. The API key, which is the access key, is found in the API dashboard, which is right here. So we copy that in here. Number is a raw phone number here because we're using this for verifying the phone number, as you can see, right? So that's right here again. Country code and format is optional here. So I went in and I said, so country code and format, I don't have to put it in. Yes, that's correct. And essentially I went in here and I tested this with a contact and it worked, okay? So you can do this for any API out there. You just need to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT questions and it will give you all the answers, right? So that's how you can integrate really any API in GoHighLevel, even if you don't know anything about APIs, okay? Guys, I've tried this multiple different times. I don't know anything about every API, so I just go to ChatGPT and ChatGPT gives me this. And as you can see, I can now go and I can work with third-party apps through GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is powerful on its own, but with APIs, it's even more powerful. So these are some of the things that are really, really cool. And these are some of the things that you can learn really fast once you get the hang of it. So once you know how to read the documentation and once you know how to talk with ChatGPT, basically, you don't even have to know the documentations. You will be able to master this and you will be able to really integrate any API completely with ease. Okay. So if you have any questions about this, comment down below. I would be able to help you out, and also check out our 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel if you want to learn more. Obviously, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.